Hi boys and girls, happy Tuesday. All right, we're gonna start our phonics lesson and first we're gonna do rhyming. So remember, you're gonna watch me first. I'm gonna go first, then you're gonna repeat. All right, first one. Wall tall, climb time, up cup, came same, out shout. Great. Okay, next one is our onset fluency. I'm going to say a word and then the first sound in the beginning of that word, and then you're going to repeat. Now, n. By, b. Fall, f. Go, g. Hand, all right, next one, we're going to need our choppers out because we're going to be blending our syllables together, all right? So I'm going to give you 2 pieces of a word, and then we're going to say the word all together. So you're going to watch me first, and then you're going to do it. Hot, hot. Pen. Zip, zip. Wish, wish. Take, take. All right, next one, we're going to do our final sound this time. We're going to punch it out. So remember, I'm going to say the word and then punch out that final sound at the end. All right, here's the first one. Pan, n. Web, b. Bite, t. Box, x. Half, f. All right, nice job. You're going to need your choppers out for the next one again. This time, we're going to say the whole word first, then we're going to chop it into 2 pieces. Remember, watch me first, then repeat after me. Den, d-n. Feel, f-eel. Had, h-add. Nice, n-ice. Kite, k-ite. All right, our next one, we're going to be adding phonemes. So you need 2 hands for this one. All right, we're going to start out with a sound. You're going to add another sound, and we're going to put it together. All right, so your sound is N. Add P. Pen. N. Add T. 10. N. Add men. N. Add when. N. Add hen. Very good. All right, you're going to need our hands again because we're going to delete phonemes. So you're going to hold a word in your hands, and then we're going to take away a part of that word. All right, watch me, then you do it. Your word is cop. Without k, what's left is op. Hop. Without h, what's left is op. Top. Without t, what's left is op. Chop. Without ch, what's left is op. Mop. Without what's left is op. All right, nice job. Okay, for our last thing, we're going to do our nursery rhyme. So I'm going to say a whole rhyme. I'm going to say a line. You're going to repeat. At the end, we're going to say the whole thing together. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. All right, nice job. Now let's say it all together one time through. So say it with me. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. All right, great job today. I'll see you tomorrow.